I met this woman from Colombia the other night, and so I was just kind of thinking to myself, okay, how can I use her? And then when she started talking about Skyping with friends of hers, and one was a friend from Ecuador, another one was from just all these different places. And then I was like, when we were washing dishes, of all things, and I was like, Gina, and then, so it just kind of got the ball rolling, and then having the kids assigned to a country, and how to just kind of make this a little bit more real than just from their textbook and them writing a paper about something, because that to me is so flat. Whereas this, as you could see, it was just amazing how the kids were just really interested, and I asked her specifically, talk about school, talk about food, things that you do as a teenager, because those will be things that they'll be really interested in. Mm-hmm. And you could see that. I mean, you could see they were really engaged.
Después de la escuela, por ejemplo, el viernes, después de la escuela, vamos de shopping first, después vamos a cenar, al burger o algo, y después siempre vamos de fiesta, o sea, cada fin de semana vamos de fiesta, y vamos al club, que es todo eso. Entonces, esta es mi escuela.
Museum living.
¿Vas a escuela? Sí, a ver, en España no hay escuelas. Las escuelas públicas son muy malas y siempre vamos a escuelas privadas.
Llevas un uniforme, ¿verdad?
No, yo no. En esta escuela solo para deporte. O sea, nosotros no podemos escoger las subjects.
I mean, targeting your audience.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, because this is an audience of young Hispanic teenagers. So definitely, start talking about things that grab them, things that are interesting to them, like that was interesting to them about the clubs, because that's something they can relate to. The school day, that was very interesting to them also, this is all they know.
Mm-hmm.
They don't know anything else. They don't even know beyond McDowell County, basically, what it's like in Buncombe County, which is where I live. So they have no clue. Definitely target your audience. If you're talking to middle schoolers, I would definitely be, what's interesting to a middle schooler. So, that would be my best advice.